Every time a massive aircraft slams into the runway at over 150 miles per hour, these giant tires absorb the impact. Built to survive crushing weight, brutal heat, and extreme force, aircraft tires are among the most advanced engineering systems in aviation.
As the outer rubber peels away, we expose the complex internal structure, highlighting the reinforced bias ply and the critical steel bead bundles. The bias ply structure effectively redistributes the immense force, preventing catastrophic failure. Look at the reinforcement here.
Yes, the holographic data confirms the pressure distribution during the landing phase. Check the width at section 12.
Holding steady at 2.5 meters. Uniformity is perfect. Tension is currently holding at 98.5%. The alignment is stable. We are clear to proceed with the next phase.
Look here, the synchronization is impeccable. Yes, the bias ply sections are flawless.
Laser alignment stable.
Confirmed. Ready for press. The internal structure is flawless. Check the ply layers again. Aligning with specs. The integrity is absolute. Heat signature is spiking at the contact patch. Acknowledged. Monitor the thermal gradient closely.
clear on the left, bring it forward 5 centimeters.
Copy that. Moving slowly. Alignment confirmed. Engaging pressure sequence now. Lock successful. Approaching target pressure. Stand by for stabilization. Roger that. All systems green. Finalizing the bolt check now. Readings are stable.
Green status confirmed across the assembly. We are good to sign off.
Torque set to specification. Confirmed. Move to the next bolt.
Look at the thermal regulation here during the heavy rainfall. It's performing within the expected parameters for the new compound.
Every rotation simulates enormous pressure, ensuring safety before flight. The laser scan confirms 0 anomalies in the tread depth. Cross-reference that with the holographic stress test results. From the icy runways of Europe to the desert heat, these titans of the sky rely on precision engineering. Thousands travel the world every day, carried by a trust in the invisible brilliance beneath their feet.